Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Cherokee. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not too hot, as this helps the oil drain more easily. Always park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure safety and a complete drain. Now, let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found on the bottom of the oil pan. Position a suitable drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This step is crucial for a clean and effective oil change. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug and give it an additional 3/4 of a turn for a secure fit. Finally, add your new oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact amount and type of oil your Jeep Cherokee requires. Pour it in slowly, then wait a few minutes for the oil to settle before checking the level with the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.